How to change game control settings in Madden NFL 24 mobile. Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today you're gonna learn how you can change the game control settings in Madden NFL 24 mobile. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So because this is in the mobile, the control settings are not so broad. All you have to do is go into the gear symbol of settings next to your username on top of your screen. Go into preferences, this part of the menu, click on edit, and there you're gonna find the gameplay. So as you can see, the game controls we could change here, first of all, is if the analog stick on left and a skill move button on right. So you can put them in the other side of the screen. You can also have the advanced action button. So hold or press the action button for CPU assisted moves. You could also make the run lock so the analog stick maintains directional position when released. And also you have the option to allow floating stick. So allow an analog stick dragging. You can put it on or off. And that's what you can do. Those are the game control settings in Madden NFL 24 mobile. Thanks for watching.